Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and I am here today with Brandon. So Brandon is one of our customer care representatives, and you guys have probably talked to him before on the phone, either during your onboarding process or when you're ordering products on Coleman & Company. He's probably been there to help you out. So what we did, as you can see, he's wearing a polo right now. And what we did is a couple weeks ago, we gave him one of our Vapor Apparel button-up polos for him to try out, wear a couple times, and then come on camera and give you guys a little bit of a review about it. So I guess we'll start off. Just tell us, how do you like the shirt?
So far, I love it. It's lightweight, very soft. It's got that dry fit style. Keeps me cool in the Florida heat, especially during the summer months like right now.
Cool. And is it like, tell me about the feel. Is it have that like sticky polyester feel? Because sometimes, I don't know about you, but sometimes when I'm wearing a polyester shirt, I just feel like it's stuck to me, like it's staticky. Does it have any of that, or?
Absolutely not. I mean, it's very soft. Sweat and moisture just kind of flies out of it, when it does get wet. It doesn't really, I work out in some of these shirts as well, and it doesn't really stick.
Good. So one of the reasons we also asked you to do this was because we know you wear a lot of like golfing type polos. Mm-hmm. How does this shirt kind of stack up to those?
Well, I'd say they're much lighter, I mean, they come in a lot lighter colors. So, I mean, especially when we're out in the heat, it keeps the sun off me. And I believe this is one of the solar styles. Yep. So it has that UV protectant. So I don't get sunburnt.
Yeah, so this is a solar style, so it is a UPF 50 plus, so it is great for sun protection. That was interesting what you said about it being thinner and the colors. So they are sublimation certified. So what that means is they are going to be lighter colors. The best part about that is when you're out in the Florida heat or just in the sun doing water activities, light colors are great for that. So do you usually wear, is there a specific brand that you usually go for, like an Under Armour? Or?
Yeah, I mean, I've got plenty of Under Armour, Nike, Adidas. I got plenty of those at home that I wear often.
So this, on Coleman & Company, this polo is about $14. And then what would you say roughly when you buy like a new Under Armour polo like this? How much do those run for?
Anywhere, $40 or more.
So honestly,
Easy.
Tell us, what would you buy one of these? If you see, an Under Armour standing up there and you have one of these, what would you pick?
100% this.
Yeah, especially with that, I guess, almost, possibly even more, 50% discount.
Absolutely.
Awesome, cool. Well, there's another thing about these shirts that I found really intriguing, and they are moisture wicking, but they're also antimicrobial. So they're supposed to, I guess, help with stink. Do you feel like you've been any less stinky? How has it been? How's it stacked up with that?
Absolutely. So this is, this one's been through the golf course with me. I've sweated profusely in it, and I've washed it a few times, and it still smells like the first day I put it on. So I do have a few, dry fit shirts that I wear to the gym that, they've been subjected, to many washes, and I pull it out of the drawer and I feel like it's never been washed.
Yeah,
sometimes.
It just has that
it has that smell to it.
Cool, awesome. Well, is there any last comments or regards you like about the style, the fit, the feel?
Not really. I mean, just give me a call. I'll help you out and answer any questions you might have about it.
Thanks. Awesome. Well, thanks for coming on camera with us, Brandon, and thank you guys for watching. And like he said, if you have any questions on Vapor Apparel or you want to just learn more about what Vapor Apparel is, you can visit colemanandcompany.com and you can live chat with a pro, and it may be Brandon. So bye, guys. Thanks for watching.